In this video today, I will be teaching you proven strategies on how you can make reasonable cash blogging online. So if this is the first time you're coming to my YouTube channel, trust me, this is the kind of channel you would like to come to and watch videos on how to make money online. Endeavor to smash the red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget, once you're done with that, click on the bell icon beside the subscribe button to get notified when next we drop videos like this. I don't tend to bore you with some kind of videos that are not educating and informative enough. In this video, you are going to be learning how you can set up a website to get yourself prepared for the blogging hustle. So it's not going to be stopping at that. I will be teaching you where you can get cheap web hosting that will help you save costs while trying to blog and make money online. Not only that, I will also be teaching you how you can monetize your blog and make reasonable cash. Trust me, you will be making a whole lot of thousands of dollars with this method. It's going to be a proven strategy that is going to create a passive income for you. So without wasting much of your time, let's head straight to the screen and talk better on how to go about blogging online and making cool cash. So guys, firstly, what we'll be doing is we will be buying a web hosting to host your new blog, because without a blog, without a website, you won't be able to monetize your website, talk more of earning with a blog. So I would really advise that you go for a cheaper web hosting since you're just starting as a fresh person. So I would advise you go to namecheap.com to buy a very cheap hosting. I will be providing a link below this video. You go directly, you get a discount for the first time when you just click through the link. It directs you straight to a page where you can buy a shared hosting. So I am already on the page to buy the shared hosting. Like I earlier said, if you don't have much to spend to buy web hosting, you can just go for cheaper ones, since you won't be having much traffic the first time. And you can also just go for monthly subscription. You can go for a billing cycle of 1 month. You can be paying monthly. So we'll just go for the stellar plan. You can see from here, you can change to monthly. The billing cycle, you can change to monthly. So monthly, you can be paying as low as $5, $4.48 per month. So let's get started by registering. So for the first time, you will be getting a discount. You might likely not pay up to this amount you are seeing on my screen. So, but as for me, I have series of accounts with Namecheap, so I am not eligible for this kind of opportunity. So the first thing you would do is, while trying to buy a web hosting, it is important to know that you will have to buy a domain name to have a website hosted on your hosting. I don't know, maybe you're getting it right. You need a domain name. A domain name, for instance, what I mean by a domain name is a name like mynewblog.com, mynewblog.org, or any name you feel like purchasing. So you need to buy this domain. So it is this domain you are going to connect. We're going to connect to your new web hosting. So let us do a new domain search. So let's say my domain name is longbizarena.com. So it loads, and when it loads, it shows you maybe the domain is available or not. As you can see, this domain is available, longbizarena.com. So you select it. So once you select it, it will be added. It will be added to your to the amount you will be paying. So you can see that the amount you'll be paying has increased to $9.58. So once you do this, you're now ready to click on add to cart. So once you click add to cart, you can see the total amount you're going to be paying is going to be $14.24. It's still quite okay compared to the amount you'll be earning when I teach you this strategy, because you will be making a whole lot of dollars by the time I'm done teaching you this new strategy. This is a proven strategy that has been tested and it has been confirmed to be working. So you go to the next stage, and you scroll down, you click on confirm order. So when you click on confirm order, it redirects you to the next page where you have to create an account or log in your existing account. As for me, I have an existing account, so there won't be any need for me to create a new account. So all I will do is I will log in my existing account. So once I log in my existing account, it will direct me to a page where I will have to make the payments, a payment page. So I have a card linked to this already. So I will just pay for this. And once I pay for this, then I'm good to go. That is the first stage of setting up your new website. So you just connect your card and you click on pay now. It pays. So once it pay, you will be redirected back to the dashboard where you will be sent your cPanel login. You'll be sent cPanel login, and this cPanel login is what you'll be using to log in. But for those who are strictly strange and new to this whole thing, I would just advise you log into your Namecheap account. So once you log into your Namecheap account, it will bring you to the dashboard. So from the dashboard, you can just click on hosting list, like I'm doing right now. So you click on hosting list. From the hosting list, you will be able to see the list of the hosting you've purchased. You can see this is the hosting I purchased. You can see it. So from here, we can just click on go to cPanel. We can click on go to cPanel. Please make sure your internet is strong, your internet connection is strong. If you don't want any form of interruption to make this whole process work smoothly. So you will be redirected to your cPanel where you'll be able to set up the whole of your website in few seconds. So guys, I am logged into my cPanel now. So I will head straight to install my WordPress on the new website. So you go to under Softaculous app installer, you click on WordPress. So when you click on WordPress, it brings you here. So you click on install. You select the name of the domain. So we are using this domain as an example, my job rider. You select the domain, you select HTTPS. If you're using Namecheap account, HTTPS will come with your hosting, a Contabo. This is actually to help in securing your website from attack and the rest. So you just write your site name. You scroll down, you write your site name. So you can just leave this version of WordPress to 6.22, which is quite okay. You scroll down, write your site name. Your site name could be let's say my job rider as an example. So the description you can write only for jobs, for instance. This is just an example. You can take your time to be more details to be more detailed about all these things. So you come to the right hand side, the admin account. You write, let's say for instance, admin as your username. It doesn't necessarily really need to be that you will have to write admin. You can use any other username as it pleases, it pleases you. So you write a password. It could be any password of your choice. So we scroll down. You can leave this admin email, or you write any other admin email. You can use your Gmail as well. It's quite okay. So you uncheck this limit login attempt. It is not always very advisable because there are some cases we've heard that some persons forget their login and they try to crack their brains to attempt series of logins. So if you limit your login, you'll be only granted 3 attempts. After 3 attempts, you'll be restricted. Your device will be completely restricted from being able to log in your own website, and that is quite very disastrous, which you wouldn't like to embark in. So once you're done with that, you scroll down and select your theme type. You can select any theme. This is not going to be the permanent theme you will be using. I mean, the theme simply means template. Another word for template is theme. So this is not necessarily going to be the template you're going to be using for your website, but you can just leave it if you don't want to choose any and proceed to install. So I have already installed a website to this particular domain. So I am not going to click on install because the website has been installed already. And if I should attempt to install again, it will tell me I already have a website or a WordPress installed on this particular domain already. So I'm just guiding you to walk you through the whole process so that I wouldn't skip any process. That is why I'm stopping at this stage. So we'll just jump to the next stage by trying to log in our WordPress. So once we click on install, then it implies that we are done installing our WordPress and our website is live and it's available to publish content. Okay, so what we just do is we just click on a new tab and I just write the name of the website, myjobrider.com/WP-admin. So it will take you to the admin panel where you'll be able to input your username and password. Okay, where you'll be able to write your username and password. So this I've written my username and password already, so I'll just proceed by logging in. So when I log in, I will be able to install a lot of plugins and I will be able to publish posts. So Here under appearances, you will be able to install any theme you like. You can just browse through the theme by clicking on add new, search, find any theme that is quite okay to you. You click on it and you install. You click on activate, and that's good. Then it means you've activated the theme. So, but that is not the major thing we're after here. The major thing is being able to publish content, make money from it, monetize the website, and make some money from it. So once you're done doing this, the next thing you will do is click on post. You will find post and click on add new. From add new, you'll be able to publish content. So with the use of website like ChatGPT, or using Beta, you can write a good and rich content. But it is always advisable, make sure that the content you are writing, it's actually a quality content. Not only that, make sure it is not 100% AI generated content. Because if these content are 100% AI generated content, you might not be able to monetize your website. So endeavor to consider this in the process of trying to uh, to write your content. I'm just recommending using ChatGPT to have an idea and insight of what you want to write, and it will help you to give you a lead to know how to go about this whole thing. So once you're done writing the content, you can see you can just write a title. Like, let's say for instance, you want to write a content like best website, best website to get recent jobs. So once you write it, that is the title. You scroll down, you click on this side, and you just write the body of the content. So it could be anything. It could be anything. So once you're done doing this, the next thing for you to do is make sure before you consider monetizing your website, make sure you've written up to 30 to 40 contents. This will actually help you in the process of monetization, so to avoid any form of rejection. So once you have a website already and you realized your website is live and you can now publish, so the next thing to do now is to monetize your website. By doing this, all what you need to do is you head straight to Google. We'll be using Google AdSense. For those who are not familiar with Google AdSense is a publisher company that helps website owner, that helps webmasters earn money using their website. So Google AdSense, will head straight to Google AdSense. We'll write google.com/AdSense, and we click enter. So when it opens, I may be redirected to a page where I already have a website. So, but we are going to be starting afresh by submitting a new website for monetization. Please make sure that make sure by following this process, make sure you should have before you do follow this process, you should have written up to 30 to 40 content to avoid any form of rejection. I repeat, to avoid any form of rejection. I do hope I am making sense at this point. And if you're enjoying this video and you're finding it very informative and it is this kind of content you want, endeavor to click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe, and click on the bell icon beside it to get notified when next we drop videos like this. So we'll just click on sign up. So once we click on sign up, we'll be able to submit our website. So we're going to select an email. So once you select an email, please just follow all my steps. Endeavor not to fast forward if you really want to learn from this. If you really want to learn from this, you need to avoid fast forwarding this whole process. Okay? So once we click, I think I'm having issue with my network, so it's quite very hard. We're here. So we write the name of our website. So my job rider is the name of the website. My job rider, myjobrider.com. So we click on uh we click on we go down, sorry, get more out of AdSense. You can say yes, send me customized help and performance suggestion. So we select country. So let's say we are selecting Nigeria or United Kingdom rather. Let's select United Kingdom. So we're selecting United Kingdom. So we scroll down and we click on I have read and accepted the agreement. You say start using AdSense. You click on start using AdSense. Okay. So we wait. We wait. Let's wait. So from here, we can write something like tell us about you. We write our information. We click here and we write our information, our name, our address, and everything. So pardon my network, please. Pardon my network, please. So our name, we can just leave out your daily review. Doesn't matter. We write an address. You input your address. You write your town, postal code, phone number optional. You click on submit. Once you are done with that, you go back to home again. You you come to connect your site. You click on let's go. So wait for it to load. So once it loads, we'll be given a code to put on our website. So here is the code. We just copy the code. So we come back to our website. This is our website. So we go back to the home, we leave here, we go back to the dashboard on your website, I mean on your admin side. So I normally recommend one particular plugin for this that will help us put the code on our website easily. We come to plugin and click on add new. So by clicking on add new, we search for a plugin. It is called it is a Google AdSense plugin that will help us add a code to our header. So we call it Quick AdSense. You click on Quick AdSense, it will bring out the Google AdSense plugin. So we already have it installed on this website earlier. So I've installed it already. So what I will just do is I will just find it by the left hand side of my website. You can see here it is, Quick AdSense. We're going to click. Sorry, pardon me. We're going to click. So we're going to click on Quick AdSense. So it is loaded. So we'll come here to this last place, header and footer code. We'll paste the code we copied from the Google website. So we paste it, once we paste it, we just save changes. Okay, we'll save changes. So once we save changes, that is all. That is all. We'll come back. Then we'll go back to the Google AdSense tab and we'll click on I have pasted the code and click on next. So once you click on next, it will be submitted for review. So from there, you wait for Google response to approve your website. So once your website is approved, then it means when people come to your website to read news, to read content on your website, you will be getting paid to do that. And thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Thank you for staying glued. I do hope you find this video very helpful. If you find it very helpful, endeavor to click on the red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my YouTube channel before you leave. And once you're done with that, don't forget to click on the bell icon beside it. I remain your boy, Coach Silas. See you next time on my next video. Bye bye.